What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. Gotrax electric bike. They sent me one, asked me to take a look at it. So what I want to do is I want to unbox this thing right now, show you guys what all is in there, and at the same time how to install it and things like that. On top of that, we're gonna go and do a little test ride. I gotta grab myself a helmet, and then we're gonna go ride around. We show you guys how this thing works, or I guess you can learn at the same time with me on how this electric bike works. I do have other electric bikes. That's why I think I understand how this works. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and then we will we'll see. Let's do it. Okay, so she is definitely a beauty. Ooh, boy, this thing is beautiful. Super important stuff. It comes with two sets of keys. Here's one set for the battery, and then here's another set for the actual driving of the bike. You want your battery to be protected because this thing can be removable. The entire battery can be removable. So the way you do it is like this right here. See that? And then what you do is with the keys, you turn it off and then you push it in, and then it says unlock. So right now it's unlocked. Then you can grab this and remove it, okay? So now it's in there, it's locked. Yeah, put the seat back, boom. And then when you're done, just turn it off and then just remove the keys. So yeah, that's it right there. Charging the battery, this is it right here, this little hole. Now, the cool part is that you can take the battery out and then go inside and charge it. Leave your bike in the garage if you want to. Yeah, so that's kind of the purpose of that right there. Removable battery, you can swap it out, whatever you want to do. There is a rear kind of placement here. You can probably like put a basket back here if you want to. There are little screws here for you to do that, but it doesn't come with anything, okay? Probably not great for sitting on this either, but you can tie a little pillow right here. People can sit back there. I don't know. It could happen. Oh, lights. Cool part about this is the light is actually all hooked up. So let's say if you were to be over here, the keys, you can turn that, and then it will turn on the light. Oh well, first I have to turn on the battery. You see, so that's the safety right there, right? Turn on the battery. Now this thing is powered. Now you can just flip the light on, and there's the light. You flip the light off, but you can still drive it. There you go, lights off. I can still drive it, or I can just fully turn it off, and there we go. So what else about this? The kickstand is good. It's really good to be able to hold something like this that is super heavy. That's pretty darn good in my opinion. So it's really sturdy. I don't feel like this thing is going to be knocked over anytime. For some reason, a lot of like scooters and e-bikes and stuff that I've gotten, these aren't very good. But anyway, yeah, that one is solid right there. Mud flap. Back has a mud flap right here. The front, even though the instructions said that it had a mud flap and I should install it, it didn't come with a mud flap. I didn't see it in the box, only the light. Anything else? The entire thing, it's really coiled nicely, so you don't get a bunch of cord just hanging all over the place. That's why I noticed. It looks good. And obviously, if you look at the picture, you know that this entire thing can be folded. Okay, so here's a spot right here where you can actually fold. There's the folding mechanism right there. You unlock that, and the whole bike just fold in half. And then this portion right here, the handlebar, can be folded by flipping this thing out. Okay, so that's the overview of the bike. Now we're gonna go do a little test drive on this thing, see how smooth it is, okay?